Kasi yung the local courts sa Netherlands, actually, ano yan eh. Kung titingnan mo kasi ang Rome Statute, meron tayong duties ng tinatawag na custodial state.
Mm-mm.
Ang ngayon, kung miyembro pa rin tayo ng Rome Statute, tayo ang custodial state. Malinaw.
Yeah.
Which means, dapat nagkaroon ng official proceedings in the
Dito.
Philippines.
Okay.
So ngayon, kung ang tingin ko kasi, gusto ng ICC syempre na malinis yung proseso. Kung gusto nilang maging malinis yung proseso at ayaw nilang magkaroon ng mga question on the legality, pwede nilang ituring ang the Netherlands as the custodial state.
Yeah.
Kung baka tinurn over ng non-member state, Philippines, to a member state, Netherlands. And doon siya idadaan sa korte to avail him of his rights to due process under the Rome Statute. Pwede yun. I think that's a smart move because actually I was expecting the trial here in the Philippines
Yeah.
Pero hindi nangyari. So mukhang doon na lang.
Chiki, sisigin ako ha.
Yes.
Dahil parang konektado dun eh. Kasi kanina, attorney, meron kaming binasang item na sinasabi na pagdating sa ICC, dadaan si Duterte sa pre-trial chamber kung saan ipapaalam sa kanya mga kasong hinaharap at karapatan niyang humiling ng pansamantalang paglaya. Tama ba? Meron siyang ganung right to, meron siyang option to do that?
Yung provisional release po, attorney.
O yung interim release, pwede siya mag-request noon given that may mga standards din naman tayong nakikita sa Rome Statute no on the level of evidence that they have against it. So we can request for that. So yung tatag interim release. Pero tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging basehan nila for the interim release given that it's the same chamber that that issued the arrest warrant.
Tama.
So tama. So parang ano kaya ang magiging exceptional circumstance no para bigyan siya ng karapatan na magiging malayan panandalian. So tingnan natin.
Does age matter? I mean, since mag-18 na siya, does it matter sa ICC? O pang dito lang yun?
No.
No.
No, hindi. You know why? Kasi ang ICC was really created for heads of state, kumbaga yung most powerful people in the world. Which means ang expectation dyan ay mga people of age because our world leaders are at a certain age, di ba? So yan ang nakikita. So hindi, I don't think it will matter. However, the thing is kasi with the ICC, mataas yung standards na for the treatment of the prisoners. So I think he'll be given all the medical attention he needs. He'll be given a comfortable place to stay in. But in terms of the child, it won't matter.
Actually, yung tanong yun ni Jovi,
Sorry,
attorney.
nasingitang.
No, it's okay. But follow up na lang, attorney, dun sa tanong ni Jovi. To your knowledge po, ano po yung mga points or situations na kailangan po natin, to your knowledge po na kailangan ma-satisfy para mag-grant itong provisional release niya or what you said, interim release?
I think that in any judicial proceeding, if they find that there was a clear violation of his right to due process, he may be given a certain benefit, no? Which means that if they see that his arrest probably egregiously violated rights of due process, siguro pwede nating makonsider yon na circumstance, no? Pero sa tingin ko kasi, if we're going to go by the book, tingin ko talaga is that it will be very hard for him because the pre-trial chamber already went out of the way to actually effect this arrest So parang sure na sila So ano pa kaya ang pwede nating ilatag na hindi pa alam ng pre-trial chamber para mabigyan siya ng ganung klaseng benefit. 'Di ba? Ano pa kaya yung hindi nila alam at this stage? Well, yun ang burden on the part of former President Duterte.
Tapos sa attorney, itong process na to, no, itong trial or yung investigation or trial sa ICC, would you know kung or do you have an estimate kung gaano katagal ito? That's the first part. And the second part, kung sakaling makonvict po si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, anong consequence o parusa po ang inaasahan po natin?
Doon sa parusa, imprisonment lang naman yan. No?
Do we know how long po?
It really depends on the ICC how long they will choose to detain the person that was found guilty.
May reports po kasi na hindi bababa ng dekada po. Tama po ba yan?
Depende rin kasi. Kasi, very few ang president natin sa sa Rome Statute, sa ICC. Very, konting-konti lang yung mga kaso na umabot all the way until the end. So, napaka-konti ng ating basis. And honestly, hindi ko masasabi rin kung hindi ko rin masasabi kung ilang years because even the Rome Statute says it may not be specified but may maximum lang. So, may maximum lang na not more than 30 years. Pero yung minimum, hindi natin alam.